Kelly K. Wood. I started LadyBoss. I've always liked, I grew up organic dairy farm, so we were always like out doing stuff and being active, but I wanted to be a part of something. I followed Kaelin for years on Snapchat, but it was when she first released something about the community, and there was women and they were all together and they were doing the same thing, and I had to be a part of it.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
So since then, what's been your breakthrough moment or moments since you joined LadyBoss?
My breakthrough, there's been moments. I haven't drank in a year. To begin with, it was fitness related, and then after that, it was for me. Lost all the baby weight, all the good stuff that I originally signed up for. But my best breakthrough moment was a couple weeks ago. My 5-year-old daughter, she brought me the scale, and she asked me, "How do you turn this on?" And I asked her why, and she said, "I want to know what it says." And I may have come on a little strong. I feel like I was talking to myself, but what I told her was, the scale doesn't tell you you're beautiful. The scale doesn't tell you how strong you are. It tells you a number that means absolutely nothing. And so you don't need to stand on it. I don't stand on it, and it shouldn't even be here if Daddy would let it go. But that was I was speaking to her. I was speaking to myself. So yeah, she had no interest in it after I had our talk.
It's like, all right.
Yeah.
That's dumb. Mm-hmm. That's awesome. So you're passing it down.
Yes.
That's amazing. Wow. So where do you think you'd be? Sounds like you've come a long way. Where would you be if you hadn't made that jump and joined LadyBoss?
I would be irritated with my life. I would be wanting more somewhere. I would still be drinking and using it as a relief mechanism. My husband said to me a while back, "I hate cardio." And I said, "Yeah, I do too." And he's like, "You love working out." "Oh, yeah, but I hate cardio." He said, "You always say, oh, I'll go for a run, it'll make me feel better." I said, "No, that was before LadyBoss. Before LadyBoss, I thought running was gonna get me to my goal. If I run, I'll lose weight and I'll be happy." Way more than that. It's way more in the gym. It's way more than any of that. It's loving yourself, and then other people follow suit. So I would be running it off. I would be trying my best to do. I wouldn't have the tools that I have.
Wow.
Definitely wouldn't be here.
Amazing.
Yeah.
So what do you say to someone who hasn't joined and is just hesitant, doesn't know if it's right for them or they can do it, or is still stuck?
LadyBoss provides all of the tools. We all get the same exact tools, but we all use them in a different way. The goals that you start with, you can achieve, or maybe they'll change and they're not even the same goals, but you get the tools to get you to where you want to go, and we all use them completely different. So even though you might see somebody who you think, "Oh yeah, well yeah, but they did it," or "Oh, well that's what they wanted, that's not what I wanted," you do your absolute own path. It's not cookie cutter. It's all the same tools, but you decide how to use the tools.
That's a great point. And what's been the most fun? What have you enjoyed the most out of all this?
Meeting women that I have common interests with, that I can talk about the things that I want to talk about, and not to people that could care less, or I talk to people about what the things that, you know, we all have something in common, and then we all take from each other. But it's meeting women with common interests and goals, and just wanting to be their best. That's my favorite, and we've had so much fun in the meantime doing it.